Are you videoing?
This is the morning after the blizzard of 2013. What's today?
February 8th.
Today's February 8th or 9th?
8th or 9th.
These are cars. You can't even see any part of this car whatsoever. You can see the windshield there, but the snow just about gets up to a foot under it. Looks like a Jeep. Comm Ave is just up that way. We're walking away from it in Brighton. Doesn't look like there's a plow on this road.
Wow, look at that.
How much snow is that, do you think, from ground to there?
Looks like 2 feet. 2.5 feet.
It's a lot of snow.